everybody. Welcome to day 22, your first lesson of the new topic about climate and weather. And we're going to be starting with a pretty simple lesson, I would say, about seasons. So to get started, you're going to watch a video and then you're going to answer some questions over here. These questions might look a little different. They are basically fill in the blank. So for example, this first one, it's going to say, and they're all based on this video. The Earth's axis is blank at an angle of blank. So whatever the answer for A is, you're going to come down here to the white space and put it here in the white space. And whatever the answer for B is, you're going to put it here in the white space. Same here. Whatever would go inside this blank, don't type it in the blank, type it in the white space, just like all our previous Google boards. Same here. And this one, you just answer in the blank. You've got a little Brain Pop here to help you. Brain Pop always explains things in such a really great, clear way. So check that video out. And then over here, you're going to answer a question that they talk about pretty explicitly in the video. Why do cities like Cali not really have seasons? Next, we're going to go into our own explanation of why there are seasons. One of the biggest misconceptions among many adults, too, is that seasons happen when the Earth is closer to the sun. So you have summer when you're closer to the sun and winter when you're further from the sun. And by this point in the lesson, you're going to know that that's not true. And over here, you're going to explain why seasons happen 100% in your own words, as always. And make sure to use these three things. This one is optional, but it's more advanced. I think you'll be able to do it. But in your explanation, you must talk about the tilted axis and the position of the sun in the sky. And then if you can, you should also talk about direct and indirect sunlight. So once you're done making your explanation here, that's part of it, but we also want you to be able to make models of your understanding. In this case, a model is a diagram. You're going to either draw by hand or you're going to make a Google drawing. This is a great chance to show off your skills. You can make the most artistic drawing that you ever wanted. You can make a really cool model using Google Drawings. If you choose to do it by hand, you can watch this video where I show you how to get that diagram here. And if you choose to do it digitally, you can watch this tutorial where I show you how to do it digitally. Okay. Once you finish making your model, you're posting it right here in this white space. And then the last thing is optional, but I highly recommend it because it's really fun. There's a simulation game. You click the link here. And when you play the simulator, what you're going to have to change the Earth's inclination angle. That means tilt. And it's going to start here in the picture with the Earth totally straight up and down, not tilted. And as the Earth moves around the sun, you'll watch how the temperature changes and you'll watch how the angle of sunlight changes. But then you can control the inclination angle here. You can make it go faster, slower, and you can actually make some observations about how did changing the angle actually modify the seasons, the temperatures throughout the year. And if you played with the simulator, please give us a little explanation here of what you learned from it. And that is it. That's today's lesson, guys. Really straightforward. Make sure you push submit at the end. Stay on top of your work. This is day 1 of a new unit. You do not want to get started out behind. Good luck. Enjoy.